Come on, baby. Give me something.
Lights are real dim though. There she goes. Y'all see it? Becky is running. Look at Becky. Say, finally, Becky, bitch. What you been doing all this time?
She idling too high too.
Those lights are dim as hell though.
Oh no, the battery, you know the battery down is still down.
Yeah. Not damn.
She idling real high. That's how she's gonna sound.
Yeah. Y'all hear it? There's Becky. She's back, guys. Oh. Finally, Becky. You little bad bitch. This bitch did me wrong. She gonna do right from now on. Alright. Yeah, I knew who to call.
I'm the GOAT!
I knew who to call, guys. I knew.
Team Little Motorsports!
Y'all hear it? Y'all see it? You seen it before and you see it again. There it is. Oh, Becky. Huffing and puffing again.
We done brought Becky back from the dead.
She sure was dead. Sitting there looking crazy. Ooh-wee.
Her mama tried to fix her, but she didn't know what the hell she was
I
doing.
still didn't. Fuck Becky up. That's why Becky mad. She's still a little mad, but she'll get over it in a little bit. She get back on the streets again. I'm gonna ride that thing to work one day.
Shit, you can be on this bitch today.
Yeah, I'm gonna ride it. We gonna ride it today. You gonna take it for a spin? Check it out. Roll that motherfucker. Try to shit. Try to bite it. Oh, Becky. Sorry, I thought I was gonna give Becky to him. Is he fucking crazy? I'm giving that nigga shit. He hardly ever speak to me.
Oh, Charles.
Yeah. Fucking.
Man, you come out better getting it by me.
I know.
At least I'll take care of it.
When I get another motorcycle, I'm actually trying to get another motorcycle. When I get another motorcycle, I get it to you. You can have it. Becky's a good girl.
Shit, at least you know she'll be well taken
Oh,
care
hell
of.
yeah. I already know.
I'm glad to take her.
I ain't got no worries there.
You know a nigga gonna take care of her.
I know it. Next time I see Becky gonna be fixed all up, lights all over that motherfucker.
Lights, music, everything.
All kinds of shit. I'm like, God damn. Becky did a big old goddamn change.
I put the white LED lights on her ass.
Yep.
Now I light them up from there, so light her up.
Yep. Oh, Becky. White girl Becky. Back in action. Good girl. Good girl.
I gotta do that, Pat. Seal Becky back up and she be ready to go. What is she on the side,
Yeah,
right?
go on this side.
We can wait to put that on until you can charge better. Shit. Ugh.
Becky's ready.
Open up the door, we can got that roll big out. See what she do. Let me move Lexus out the way. Lexus.
Alright guys, we're gonna roll Becky out and we're gonna get her and see what she's working with. Becky, back. Y'all see? She rolling. You see Becky? She's running back. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, ring that notification bell. Y'all already know, just like that, this video's over. Don't forget about the $400 cash giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. Woo woo!